Hello everyone, welcome to a brief overview of Multisoft Systems Bentley Moses Basic Training Course. Multisoft Systems, with over 21 years of experience, offers 1,500 plus courses, partners with 10K plus experts, serves 2,000 plus corporates, has trained 1 million plus individuals, and earning a 4.5-star rating. Here we share the overview, benefits, and facts. Bentley Moses Basic Training provides comprehensive education for professionals in the maritime and offshore industry, focusing on the use of the Moses software suite for hydrostatic and hydrodynamic analysis. This training empowers engineers to effectively analyze and simulate complex offshore structures and vessels under various environmental conditions. Participants will learn how to utilize Moses for stability checks, structural assessment, and the design of floating systems, making it an indispensable tool for improving safety and operational efficiency in offshore projects. One of the primary benefits of this training is the enhancement of technical proficiency, which equips professionals to tackle challenges in offshore engineering with more precision and confidence. Additionally, research has demonstrated that professionals trained in Moses can optimize designs to meet regulatory standards while reducing costs and project timelines due to more accurate simulations and assessments. Prerequisites. There are no specific prerequisites for the Bentley Moses Basic Training. It is open to anyone interested in maritime and offshore engineering, eager to learn simulation and analysis techniques. What will you learn? During the course, you will understand the hydrostatic and hydrodynamic analysis of offshore structures, stability checks and structural assessments, design and simulation of floating systems, optimization of offshore projects for cost efficiency, compliance with maritime safety and regulatory standards, use of Moses software for engineering solutions, risk analysis and mitigation in marine environments. By the end of the course, you will gain deep knowledge about simulation techniques and how to implement it in real-time projects. Our Bentley Moses Basic subject matter experts have profound understanding of offshore dynamics, rich practical experience on real-world applications, extensive hands-on knowledge in the area of CAD/CAM/piping domain, in-depth industry experience and expertise, delivered multiple training sessions to various clients. The course is tailored for naval architects, marine engineers, and other related professionals, providing them with the skills needed to excel in offshore engineering. This training not only boosts individual career prospects, but also contributes to the broader goal of advancing safety and innovation in the maritime sector. Course assessment. In addition to our comprehensive training, we offer a complimentary assessment designed to evaluate course comprehension. This assessment employs a variety of methods, including multiple-choice questions, short answer responses, and tests focused on problem-solving abilities. These diverse approaches ensure a thorough understanding of the course material and providing a well-rounded evaluation of participants' knowledge and application skills. Thank you for watching our video. We eagerly anticipate welcoming you to Multisoft's Bentley Moses Basic Training, where you will master maritime simulation and offshore structure analysis, enhancing your engineering capabilities and operational efficiency.